Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chocolate chip cupcakes step by step. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together well in a large bowl to ensure they are fully combined. Next, we will prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until smooth. Now, gently pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix them together carefully, just until the batter is combined, avoiding overmixing for tender cupcakes. Now for the best part, adding the chocolate chips. Gently fold in about 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips into the batter until they are evenly distributed. Line a muffin tin with cupcake liners, then fill each liner approximately 2/3 full with the batter. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Once baked, let your chocolate chip cupcakes cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, you can frost them with your favorite chocolate or vanilla frosting, or simply enjoy them plain. These are perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.